Hello there, and welcome to another tutorial from lean6sigmasource.com. And the topic of today's tutorial will be, what is a run chart? What I'm going to go over today and explain is, what is a run chart, when do you need to use a run chart, and I'm also going to do a sigmaxl demonstration. Now, what is a run chart? Well, it's a time-ordered plot of data. The data can be discrete or continuous, and it helps identify trends or outliers in your data. And again, it's a time-ordered series plot. It's not sorted, it's in chronological order. And this step comes before you actually construct the control chart. Now, when do you want to use a run chart? Well, first you want to use it to measure in the measure phase, when you want to observe the process performance over time. And then in the analyze phase, you may want to check to see if the data is random or not. And sigmaxl will actually conduct the test for you to see if you have either clustering, mixtures, trends, or oscillations. And the results will appear in red if you have any of these types of variation present. Let me show you examples of each. Clustering, as you can see here, is when you have a group of data points clustered together. Mixtures, it's where you don't have any data points near the center line. You can see from point 7 or plot data point 7 to data point about 19, there's no points near the center line. Or trends, where you have a set of data plots trending up, or they could be trending down. And then oscillations is when you have sharp changes in the data plots where 1 minute's up, 1 minute's down, so you can see that it's cycling here. Sometimes they call it cycling. Now I'm going to show you a short demonstration on when the data has no variation present, or when the data is random and when it's not random. So let me switch over here to sigmaxl so I can show you this example. So I have my sigmaxl already open, and I'm going to open the sample data by going to sigmaxl sample data, customer data. Alright, and what I want to do next is I'm going to go to sigmaxl, graphical tools, and then I'm going to go down to run chart. Use entire data table. And remember, when you're using sigmaxl for your own data, this is just an example. You need to have no missing rows or columns. Alright, and for this example, I'm just going to click overall satisfaction, put that on the y-axis, and hit OK. Alright, now you can see here the overall satisfaction plot, and then what I really want you to see, the median here is 3.95. What I really want you to see here, and I hope you can see this, is this actually ran the randomness test, and it's called the non-parametric runs test. It's basically just the randomness test, and I hope you can see this. But here you can see that the p-values are not in red. If they were in red, then you would have some randomness to do additional tests for. So we don't have any clustering, we don't have any mixtures, trends, or oscillations in this example. So let me go back to an instance where you would, to show you what it would look like if you had clustering, mixtures, trends, or oscillations. And I'm going to open up run test example data, and this comes with your sigmaxl. I'm going to go to sigmaxl again, graphical tools, run chart, use entire data table, and hit next. And I'll just hit clustering. Alright, now you can see here, this is an example of clustering. The same charts that you saw in the PowerPoint presentation, these data points right here are clustered, and then you can see here that your p-values are in red. Your p-value for lack of randomness is in red also, to show that there is clustering present in this run chart. Now let me go down and tab here to show you example of mixtures. Here's another example of mixtures, where you can see here in this area you don't have any data plots that are close to the center line, so that shows you that you have mixtures present. And you can see here that sigmaxl very conveniently highlights the p-value in red to show you that you have mixtures present, and also that your lack of randomness test is different. And then also trends, you can see that these data points are trending up. And you can also see that your p-value for the trends test is in red, and you have trends present in this data set. Now let's look at oscillation. Oscillation, you see you have points going up and then down, up and then down, up and then down, up and then down. And so you can see also that sigmaxl puts that p-value in red for you to show you that you have oscillations present. So those are exactly what trends or outliers you would need to look for on your run charts. And sigmaxl does a great job of showing that to you. And so what did we cover today? Well, we covered what is a run chart, when to use a run chart, and I also do the sigmaxl demonstration. I want to thank you for your time, and remember, you can see these tutorials at lean6sigmasource.com, or you can see my Lean Six Sigma Source YouTube channel and become a subscriber. Well, again, this is Monique with lean6sigmasource.com. Have a great day.